Hello everybody at YouTube land. It's another awesome day in the bay. We're back off to the vehicle testing station to get a warrant for the bike again. It's been slightly more than 6 months. We do it 6 monthly warrants, so it's time to do it again. It's pretty early in the morning. It's coming up 8 o'clock. We get in there, get it done. We've got a heap of work to do today. Getting some bits and pieces, doing some bike work on a bike, on my CXs, and changing the front fork seals and that, because they're bleeding all over the garage floor, which is never a good look. And as always, it's a perfect excuse to take the bike for a ride on a day like today. I don't know if you can see that, but however, this is an attempt to actually talk a bit more. As last night I successfully managed to edit a video. Well, sort of edit a video anyway. First time for everything. I managed to figure out the program, so always a bonus. Look at that shot. What else is there? The bikes. Yes, the bikes. A bit of a dilemma with those. If anybody's interested, that I've got 4 of them. The one I'm riding now, the CB750, and 2 CXs. I was trying to figure out what I'm going to do with them, or whether or not to keep the 750 and sell the 2 CXs, keep a CX and sell another CX for a 750, or sell all 3 of them and get something, get a modern bike, which I think, I don't know actually. It would be the. I'm quite partial to the SV range, 650 or 1000. You can get them reasonably cheap over here. Second hand, of course, can't afford new. You can get the SV 650s for about 5 grand, and the 1000s for about 8. So. Something to think about. We should see. But anyway, we'll cut it short here, and we'll try a bit more a bit later on. So we'll catch you guys later. See ya. And it's time to get out of here. And we're back. That was a successful mission, and we've got to stop because I haven't put my bloody helmet on. God, you're an idiot. Now we're in neutral. I'm going to put the bloody helmet on. Doing our best to be temporary. Right. Shall we try that one again? We shall try that again. Ooh, fogging up. Back again. After putting the lid back on. I seem to be doing that quite a bit. What an idiot. Well, now we've done that, I can go and have breakfast. Now I'm going to attach the warrant to the bike. Ever get these mirrors right? No, I don't think so. That's better. Oh, too much like fun. And I think we might call this end to the return video, so we'll see you guys later.